Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your Ubuntu release so you know available Cron features, and make sure Cron is installed and running. Once done, decide whether you need a per-user cron tab or a system entry in /etc/cron. D. This affects environment and privileges. Now enable the cron service with systemtil enable now cron if it isn't active. Make sure to use an account with the right permissions, because file locations and path differ between user versus system cron entries. You now create the job. Open Cron tab E and choose an editor. That file is where Cron reads schedules. Write a 5-field time expression, minute, hour, day, month, weekday, then the command, for example, 02***/usr/bin/backup. sh. Once inserted save, Cron auto-installs the new table. Make sure to set path at top or use full binary paths, and add shell =bin/bash if your script needs bash features, because environment differs from your interactive shell. Finish by confirming the job runs. Inspect systemtil status cron and tail /var/log/syslog to see cron activity, or check /var/log/cron. Once done, redirect stdout and stdair to a log file so you capture output. That makes debugging straightforward. If a job doesn't run, make sure to run its command manually under the same user. Check file permissions and shebangs, and verify environment variables like path. One key tip: Cron won't source your profile, so always use full paths or export variables in the Cron tab.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.